Ito yung mga hinarvest ko. Ilalagay ko sa ref. Ang sabi ng mga friends ko, bakit hindi ko daw ibenta kasi it's too much. End of season na ito, itong harvest ko na ito. Ang sabi ko naman, ba't ko pa ibebenta? Nakakatulong naman ako sa budget ng iba. Hindi na sila bibili ng sitaw. Kasi dito sa US, kapag ka mga Filipino vegetables ganyan, mahal. Doon ka lang makakabili exclusive sa Philippine, sa international store. So, nung hindi pa ako nakakabalik galing US, nasa Philippines pa ako, ang mahal ng bili nila. Nung bumalik ako dito sa US, after pandemic, yun, nakita ko, sobrang mahal ng mga, haba. So, nung pagbalik ko dito sa US, after pandemic, sabi ko, mag-garden tayo. So, nag-garden kami, sobra-sobra, pinamigay ko sa neighbors. I gave some to the neighbors, and cook adobo sitaw to some friends, and they are so happy. Anyway, I don't have to buy vegetables now like for a while. I also have okra, but okra is being harvested just the other day. I just harvested the other day. And also bitter melon, ampalaya, I harvested the other day, so I don't have today. Now I have to cook later, fresh from the garden. And you see how plenty. And if you buy this at the international store, it may be like $20. I saved, diba? It's practical. It is less for my budget now. And also the bell pepper, these are all organic. I harvested it from the garden. Okay?